How to assemble the tattoo kit. Place the grommet into the eye loop on the needle bar. Make sure the tattoo needle goes through the tube naturally. Also, the needle and tip size is matched. Unscrew the tube rest clamp, insert the tube, and adjust the needle depth. After that, tighten tube rest clamp. Connect the power cord and turn on the power supply. Insert the RCA cord to the line mode. Insert foot pedal to power supply. Press the LS button to switch to line mode. If the machine doesn't work, please make sure the power supply is under line mode. Adjust the voltage to 5 to 10. Press the pedal and then start work.